Guys, so this is a quick video to show you how to install your Fibonacci plus indicators and pivot points. So you want to pull up a screen, any FX will do. This is Euro USD. Go to the top left-hand corner of the screen, hit the little spanner icon, press that once, we'll pull up a little dialog box like this, then press Add Indicator, find your Fibonacci indicator pivot point, which there we are, Fibonacci plus pivots, hit that once, and then say OK. And that is it installed, and it will vitalize, renew every single day. It will put the daily pivots in, the R1, R2, R3 pivots, as well as Camarella breakout long, Camarella breakout short. As you can see at the moment, Euro USD is just touching on R3. If you wish to configure how this looks, it's all very configurable. So if you hit the spanner again, and let's say you want to change the Camarella breakout long. So you click on Camarella breakout long, and you can move it. First of all, you can move the size in like this. You can see in the sidebar here, the sizing moves up and down, so you can move that quite easily to anything you like. And if you like the style a little bit different, then you can change the style to a wee bit thicker. Do the same for CBOS, and make it a bit thicker, and then make it a little bit more like this. If you decide you want the daily pivot maybe to be a bit of a dotted line, like so, or more of a dashed line like so, and so what you can actually do, you can configure all these different pivot points any way you like. To save the settings, you just press close, and there you can see we've got highlighted Camarella breakout long, Camarella breakout short, daily pivot, and S1, 2, and 3. And everything is there for you, and that will just renew every single day. A couple of watch outs, just make sure that you got the vertical scaling on the price, and you display the last price. Apart from that, you are good to go. There's your Fibonacci plus indicator, and that's how you install and configure. Cheers, guys.